What's up, everyone? Welcome back to a new live stream in our channel, Order Flow with Ethan. So today we will be trading the S&P 500 futures as always, and yes, we are going to explore it all over here. And if you guys got any questions, please let me know in the comment section. So as you know, this the contract. So how do you say? I forgot the thing. So we're closer to people. What do they do exactly? Oh my god, I forgot. Oh, people are settling their contracts these days, and right now they're just trading the last days of this contract. So you might think the volume is quite low, and the trades are not executed as always. So as you can see, the lives the market is quite not so volatile, and the orders might not be executed at the same time. So as you can see, in the first minute we only had like 6 candles only, then we're 2 minutes in, we only had like 10 candlesticks only, and this is a huge difference than what we always expect. So let's see what the market holds for us today. We hope it's gonna be a good thing. We hope it's going to be a great thing, and we hope the market is going to reward everyone today. So let's see what's really happening. So we have made a great upgrade from yesterday. We were trading at 7,420. We are at 7,490, and that just tells us that the market is an uptrend. So we should expect the market to keep going up, or maybe this is a time for it to go down. So the highest we have been to today was 7,514, and now we are at 491. So 20, it's a lot of difference. Actually, it's a lot of difference, but still we should expect the market to react in a very good way. So let's see what the market is holding for us, and then we are gonna see what's going to happen next. So till now the market is quite not so really doing a good thing, and we should just wait to see what's gonna happen next in this market. But the volume is quite low, the orders are quite low too. But let's see. Yesterday actually we made good trades though. Like yesterday we had good trades. If people were in yesterday's live stream, if you still remember, we had good trading opportunities. So till now the market is still not really doing a good thing. Uh, we're just waiting to see if there's better trading opportunities, and then we are gonna take our trades. So as you can see, in 1 minute we had three candlesticks here at 8:34. Same thing, not really the same thing, like five in the 8:35, and still only three in four again in 5:36. So let's see if it's gonna change now, or the market would just keep bouncing up and forward, back and down, and spending so much times in each candlestick. But the best thing to do is, so yes, we're just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen in this market now. The market is still going just up and down. Nothing really great happening. So we just should just wait and see what's gonna happen in this market. So yes, there's nothing really happening here. It's just a market that's going up and down. Nothing interesting about it yet. So we should just wait and see what's going to happen uh, before taking any single trade. So we expect it to stay like this today because, as I previously said, it's the last week of trading this contract. And what happens when it's the last week? The market just keeps going up and down. Nothing too serious, nothing great happens. It's just a market that does nothing interesting. So we should just wait and see what's gonna happen next. So if you guys see any good trading opportunities, you can still take them, okay? Like, I'm not saying don't take any trading opportunity you see, but please make sure it's a good one at least, because in the end you're gonna regret it if it's not a good one. Why? Because I already mentioned, when it's the last time, the last days of trading a contract, when people are settling those contracts, the market tends to trade at a lower level than the previously estimated one, because people just go and try to sell all of their positions and try to do something about it. Don't just uh, keep trading like a stupid guy, okay? If you keep taking those stupid positions, trust me, you're just gonna keep losing money all the time. And then you'll be like, oh, but what happened, my guy? What's the problem? Why is the market not rewarding me today? Well, the market is not rewarding you because you chose to trade in a market that you should not be traded. Like, isn't it easy to understand for you? Like, don't just trade in this market because the conditions are not there at all. The conditions are not in your favor, okay? So just for you, just to make it sure, just to let you know, these conditions are not in favor for you to trade. So the best thing you can do is to stop trading and look for something else to do instead. Don't just take a position now, because that's going to be a dumb thing if you do it. And many people regret it. Many people be like, oh, I took a position in this market, now I regret it. What should I do? What's the problem? Why is the market not rewarding me, etc., etc.? Well, the main reason is because you're trading in a market that you should not be trading. That's it. When you trade a market like this one, you just lose. That's the only thing that's gonna happen to you. You're gonna keep losing all the time. And yes, I don't want you to be in that situation because it's very, very bad. It's not good to be losing all the time. And that's why wait for the market to get better. If it's not getting better at all, just try to stay away from trading, especially in these days. So just wait for it to get better. If you see good trading opportunities, take a trade. If not, don't take it because you're gonna be in a very, very big mistake. So it's gonna be a very big mistake if you make it. Don't trade right now. Wait if you see some good position. You can still follow me. Like you see what I'm doing. I'm just chilling here. I'm not taking any trade till now because I don't see any good conditions. I just see a market that is telling me do not take a trade. Wait for the perfect moment. Don't just go and take it now. You're gonna regret this later. And yes, what I do is just waiting for a good trading opportunities. If it's not there, then it's not my uh, it's not in my luck to take a trade, and I'm fine. Like, what's the worst thing that could happen if I don't take a trade? I'm not gonna win money, but at least I'm not losing money. That's a bigger issue that people often forget to mention. I don't know what's the main reason. Like, if you're not taking a trade, you're not losing money, and that is better. I mean, would you rather not take a trade, or would you rather not lose money? Because if a trade is not that good, then it means that you should not be taking it. Okay, so if it's not that good, that means you should be out of that market. And yes, this is what we're doing now. We're just waiting for this market to get better first, and then take our trade when the conditions are there. But now, as the conditions are not favorite to us, then the best thing we can do is to wait for a perfect trade, perfect setup, something like this. But right now, those conditions are not met yet, so that is why the best thing to do is to wait for it to get better. Because I'll tell you, I kept losing money for so much time until I realized one day that, man, I should really do something about it. I cannot just keep losing. The main reason was not the way I trade. Like, just for you to know, the main reason was not my type of trading. It was me trying to take all the positions available in the market. And what happens next is that I just keep losing money every single time. That was, oh, that I should do something about this. There is no way I can keep losing money all the time, all the day. That's not possible. But yes, that's where I now was introduced to something called risk management, trading risk management. So the main idea is that we're discussing how we can improve our risk management. So how do you improve it? By not taking a stupid trade. When you see a setup, will you think that, oh man, this is actually a good setup? Or just like, oh wait, let me try, let me see if I can get it right this time. Well, there is no let me try and trade it. That's called gambling. There's only taking good positions, that's all. If you keep taking all the positions you see in front of you, trust me, you're a better, you're a gambler. You're not trading, you're gambling. That is the thing you're doing. And many people refuse to admit that they are not trading, but rather they are actually, we can say it out loud, gambling. Okay, they're gambling, they're betting, they're doing everything in the market except trading, and that's a very, very bad thing. Okay, that is a very bad thing to do. And the best thing to do is to wait for this market to get better. Then you can take your position. No one's gonna stop you by that time. Okay, it's all right. So if you happen, so if it happens, if you don't take a position, it's okay. Just wait for the market to get better, then take your position. I mean, if it's not there, then don't take it. That's the only thing that you should think about when you're trading. When you see a setup that's not good enough for you, then don't take it. Let's see here, for example, we can take a buy option. It's okay. I can risk. I have my risk management is fine. I can I can I can accept the loss today, so I'll just take this position for you guys. So what do we see here? I saw it by my eyes normally. Like, forget about order flow, forget about technical analysis. We are talking about risk management, which is more important. Oh, so this was a good trade opportunity, by the way. Uh, Trap traders, small, not the perfect one. I wouldn't call it a trap traders setup, but just likely something like a mini trap traders. That's what we can call it. Yes, it's cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. So as you can see, there is no good trading opportunity that happens yet. We should just wait for it to get better. Maybe that's gonna happen. Maybe that's not gonna happen. But as I always say, it's alright. That's not a big and huge thing for us. If the market doesn't reward us, I mean, we don't get angry for it. We don't really get angry. Uh, that's some kind of thing that happens in trading all the time, and we should be okay about it. Yes, till now there is no trading opportunity that happened. 21 minutes past market opening, and the market is just lagging all the time. I don't know what's the main reason for this. I expected the market to be better today, but it's still just a market that bounces, that goes up and down all the time. Nothing too good about it. So what do you guys think? Would you take a position now or not? What you guys would do in my position? Are you guys going to take a position? Are you going to trade? Or are you just going to shakalaka make a move in here? Because I don't see any good opportunity to trade. So we are just going to wait for this market to get better and then take our trade later. But till now, it's not, oh yeah, it's just a market that goes sideways all the time. So I really hate when markets go sideways. That just tells you that you should be out of the market as soon as possible, because it's just going to keep doing the same thing for a while. It's just a market that's going to keep bouncing up and down all the time, and there's nothing too great about the market that goes sideways. Yes, many people say, oh, but it is a good market to make a trade opportunity. Maybe you can see that if you want, but I don't see it in that way. I see it as a market that just does nothing too interesting. A market just keeps going sideways all the time, and it's not good at all. So when a market goes sideways, you really start to not enjoy trading anymore. And I don't call it a good trading market because it's just going up and down, and there's nothing good about it. So this is why I hate when the market goes sideways. I hate it actually. It's not a good thing. It's not a it's not a good place to be at, by the way. It's never a good place to be at because it's just gonna make you regret it, make you regret trading. And yes, when they keep going in that way, you just wouldn't just like it to be like that, because I don't know, there's something wrong about them. There is something wrong about a market that goes sideways. You think, oh, many people say, oh, sell the high and buy the low. Well, yes, but this is not how we trade. Like, I've been defending supply and demand and order flow for a while. I cannot just go and trade that type of market randomly, because it's never gonna make sense to me to trade such a market. When a market just goes sideways, it's not interesting. First of all, it's not good. It's not a good trading opportunity, trading place. Like, I don't want to be seen trading that type of market every time, because it's something that I hate, something that I don't like, I dislike a lot, and you're never gonna see me trading it. So as you can see now, we're breaking to higher levels, and okay, let's just wait and see what's going to happen. Okay, so the sellers are trying to defend their position, but still the buyers are still strong. But sellers are also strong. Are they getting the market down? So maybe this is my time to take a position. Come on, put me in, put me in. Okay, I could take two, it's okay. Risk tolerance. This is something called risk tolerance. Can you tolerate that risk? Because I can. Not really. I cannot take it anymore. Okay, let's see. We're one tick above the POC, and we are stopped in two different positions. That is a bad thing. That is a very bad thing. It's not a good place to be at all. Yeah, certainly not. But then it goes down. I mean, this is the price you pay when you trade markets with low volume. This is what happen when you trade a market with low volume. You just see some kind of things like this, and you don't really take a good position at all. So now we should be waiting and see what's going to happen. Okay, so now I think the sellers are getting stronger. So we should expect the market to reverse at any time because, as you can see, the volume is quite high and the delta is still positive, but not really positive. It's just 79, and the max delta was 168. Some people will think this is a good sell opportunity, but I still don't think so. The market can reverse in any single time, especially when it's moving so slowly. Okay, that was actually a good trade. Check it if it goes back here. Okay, we officially missed this one. This was a good trading opportunity though. So they're fighting. The sellers or buyers are fighting, and no one's taking good positions yet. So both are fighting. Both want to claim their positions, and they're both trying to be at the top of the market, but it's still just going sideways right now. We should just expect the market to get better soon, or else we should not take a trade. Oh, so what is this? Big imbalance, buying imbalance, and then the market uh, is reversing. Okay, so what does it mean? It doesn't mean anything. Well, the market will do some stuff that you were not expecting him to do, especially in this type of markets when we have uh, a market that just keeps going sideways all the time. Trust me, it can do whatever you can think of, and it doesn't mean you should take that position. So, as I said, the best thing to do is wait for it to get better and then take your trade. Because we let's get down the business, because give you one more night to got this, and we had a million and million, and now it's just like this. So let's get down the business. Dia, let's get down the business. Let's get down. Dia in the building, guys. Let's get down in the business. So let's get down the business, okay, guys? Dia in the building, guys. Dia in the building. Dia, what do you think of going to that place tonight? What do you think? Because you might you might don't like it. Like they just forced me. They're like, no, come on. You can say no, just come. Blah blah blah. I was like, okay, okay, because I told them last Sunday that yes, okay, I'll see you guys in Coco Park on Friday, and they said, oh, like you told us Friday, you're gonna come, etc., etc. So now you cannot just say no. So what do you think? The end of Walden, what do you think? Dick, something is wrong with my internet. Wait, I cannot see your comments. Wait. Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me. Okay, wait for me. Let me do this. This. Here. Dia, are you still in the building? Are you still in the building, Dia? Are you still in the building? Dix? Oh, so guys, Dix, something is happening to Dix right now. I think someone is robbing Dix. If someone can check upon Dix, please do, because something is wrong with him. I don't know what's the problem. But Dia is officially in the building. Dia is in the building. Like we have got this news that Dix is officially here. We should just wait for him to answer. I don't know what's the reason. Maybe someone robbed him. Maybe someone is eating him. Something like that. But this could be the reason why Dix is not answering. Guys, I think something is going on with the guy Dix, because he is not answering. Maybe something is wrong with him, guys. We should check on Dix and see what's going on with him. Maybe something is wrong with Dix. Uh, I don't know what's the main problem. Why is he not answering us right now? But we should just wait until we see his answer. So Dia is officially in the building, but he's not really in the house. So this could be the reason why he's not answering. But here, as you can see, This is a very unbalanced market. It just goes up and down and does nothing great. So we should just wait and see what's happening first before taking any trade. Yo guys, Dia is in the building. Dix in the building, guys. Official news coming here right now. Dix just joined the building once again, and we are so happy to have him here. How are you doing, Dix? How are you doing? How was the game? Yo, Dix. Guys, I think someone is robbing Mr. Dix. I think he's not safe. Oh, you're tired. Oh, guys, officially Dix is not being robbed. He's just tired. This is the reason he wasn't responding. So, did you play with the Shluchi guy? The Shluchi. Did you play with Shluchi? Shloki. Oh, guys, officially Dix Dia is waiting for the bus. So we just had news coming from Dix Dia. He is not being robbed. He is just tired and also waiting for the bus. So this could be one of the greatest things a man can do. Like imagine this is 11 p.m. and you are tired and waiting for the bus. I mean, what a side quest Mr. Dix Dia is doing. Like not everyone is able to do such a thing. So also the market is very tired these days. The market is really suffering. But we don't know why the market is really suffering these days. As you can see, the volume is very, I mean, it's alright, like 400, 500, 600, okay. But at the meantime, the volatility is not there, okay. The volume is there, but the volatility is not there at all. Even if you see setups, and probably you're not going to see them, the market is not going to give you any hint of anything happening. And you think, oh, like this is what this guy teached me on the internet. Why was it not working now? It worked last time. Well, the main reason is because you are trading in a market where you shouldn't be trading. When you see a market trading so slowly, like going up so slowly and so going down so slowly, the best thing you can do is to actually not taking that trade, because you are just gonna regret that later. It's just gonna keep doing this time and time over again, and it's never gonna stop. And what you should do is maybe just wait and take another, just chill. You can maybe go learn something else, uh, better than just trading this type of market, because it's really gonna make you exhausted of trading all the time. Guys, this is the third time Dix Dia says yo. Like official news, guys, Dix Dia is saying sorry. So this is not something we hear from him a lot of time. Oh, okay, you're with Shloki. Okay. We see that. Copy that. Okay, it's okay. You can take your time. You can just take your time and with your Shloki guy. It's okay. I'm about to end the live stream, anyways. I'm about to end the live stream. So as I said, when there's a market with low volatility, the best thing to do is to not take that trade, because you're gonna regret that a lot. You're gonna regret that a lot, and you're not gonna like it at all. So as you can see here, the volume is very low, and it's not doing any good thing about trading. because it's just gonna keep doing the same thing all over again, and there is no way to take a good position. So this is it, guys. This is the end of the live stream. It was a great week to see you all guys here. So we had one, or I think two good winning days, but all the other days the we kept losing because the market was not in our favor, especially with there's low volume. The market will not reward you a lot. So thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Okay, take care of yourselves, and we'll see each other next week, next Monday. So have a great weekend. Try to enjoy your time, spend time with your friends, with your families, and get some time away from the chart. That's gonna be helpful. Like when you get away from the charts for some time, your brain rests and they can perform well again once we are back to trading on Monday. So thank you guys for your time, and I hope to see you in the next live stream on Monday. If you wanna go, you can go now and check some of the live stream we've just posted. We posted some good live streams, some good videos. If you didn't check them yet, just go and check them and learn for some time. Guys, this is the fourth time Dia says yo. Yo, Dix Dia, we are going to end the live stream. Thank you so much for joining, and we'll see you again next time. Okay, Dix Dia?